Alright, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Hopefully you are doing great and learning English in a great way. This is Porosh Sarkar today. I am a student as well as an English learner. So today I want to talk about something that many of us struggle with. Why can't we speak English even after learning for months and even years? You know, we study grammar, we learn grammar rules, we memorize vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, we freeze and we make mistakes. So why this happens with us? How we can get rid of this problem? How we can overcome this problem? So in this video, let's break down some real reasons why this problem happens to us and how we can overcome it. But before that, I want to tell you something about this park. Today after many days later, I have come to this park with my friend Fahim, and I'm truly lucky today because I have got my friend Fahim and he is helping me to record this video. So that's why I want to give him a special thanks. And this place is not far from my home, so that's why I often choose this location for shooting my content. And whenever I come in this place, I feel motivated to speak English, I feel motivated to make video. That's why I can't but make video. So yeah, that is the thing. And one interesting thing is I have heard that the name of this park has been changed. Although I don't know a lots of information about this thing. Maybe later I will try to collect some information and afterwards I will try to tell you the new name of this park. But the natural beauty of this park, the fresh air, everything about this park makes me so happy, makes me so delighted. So that's why I really like this place. So let's come to the point, and now it's time to tell you some reasons why can't we speak English fluently and effortlessly even after learning for so many days, so many months, and even so many years. So I think the first reason would be the fear of making mistakes. Many of us struggle with it. It's really a common struggle for us. Like we think, what if I make mistakes? What if I say it wrong? Or what if people laugh at me? But brother and sisters, remember, mistakes happen to everyone. And mistakes are common when you are learning something new. We are so brave because we are learning the international language. English is the only language which is spoken and understood all over the world. So in this way, we are so brave that we have taken some initiative to learn this beautiful language. And now if we make mistakes while speaking English, it's very common. When I started my journey, I was so scared about making mistakes. But afterwards, over time, I realized that mistakes are a natural part of learning, natural part of this process. So I should take my mistakes normally, and that's what I'm doing. I am not perfect, you are not perfect, and we can't be perfect. But if we try, we will be better in the future. So that's why I want to tell you that don't aim for perfection, aim for improvement. This is going to be a super duper, helpful for you. Okay, so try to aim for your improvement, not for perfection. And if you make mistakes while speaking English, try to take them normally and try to learn from them. This is going to be beneficial for you. Because I'm being able to tell you this because I have been learning this language for last 1 year, and in this 1 year I have made so many mistakes and I am learning from those mistakes. If you compare my old videos with my new videos, then you will see my progress. And my progress will help you to feel something, will help you to start your own journey. So this is the first and this is the prime reason why can't we speak English fluently. So if I tell you the next reason is lack of speaking practice. We often focus too much on writing, on reading, on grammar, but when it comes speaking, we don't speak at all. We just think that I am not good at speaking, so I don't want to speak. But brother, you are learning English to speak with others, to communicate with others. So it's very necessary for you to speak this language every single day without any break. The more you practice, the better you will become. So try to speak this language as much as you can. It's totally up to you how much practice that you do. So try to practice it every single day. It will be better if you find some friends online and if you practice with them. It will give you to share your language experience with others. And if you make any mistakes, if you don't pronounce the words correctly, others will help you in this regard. Don't think that you are not talented, you don't have that much intelligence like others. No, just believe in yourself, practice it every day. when I started my journey, I used to think like that I am not intelligent like others, they have more facilities like me, so I'm not going to learn this language. But after that, I changed my mindset. I worked hard for my visions. I dreamed big that okay, maybe today I'm not being able to speak English fluently, but one day I will be able to speak this language the way actually I want. So yeah, that is the thing. Now it's really a great thing, and I'm really proud that nowadays so many people are watching my videos, and after watching my videos they are feeling so well, they are being able to start their own journey. So it's really a great thing, and every day people inspire me that Porosh brother, after watching your video I have started my own journey. So it's really a remarkable thing for me, and I always want to inspire people. That's why every day I try to make English video. And one interesting thing is, this is my first video that I'm doing at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park. Okay, and after buying my iPhone, I went to my native area, and that was a great trip in Netrakona. I really enjoyed it, and hopefully from now on I will start recording a video in my own city. Although it's really difficult because I live in Narangan city, and here it's really difficult for me to find a quiet place, because if I want to make video like this I need a quiet place so that I can make you understand something. So I am very hopeful that you are getting my points, and you will put all the information to work to improve yourself. If you put all the information into work, I hope you will see a great result, you will see a great progress. And if I tell you the third reason would be overthinking grammar. We often think that, oh, my grammar is not good, I'm not good at English grammar, so when I will speak I will make so many mistakes. But brother, listen, you learned your own native language with making mistakes. So what is this? If you make mistakes, just try to take them normally. Bye. You are learning English to communicate with others, so it doesn't matter if you make mistakes, your grammar is not okay, your pronunciation is not okay. Just one thing keep in your mind is, you need to practice a lot, and you will have to do it. You don't have any option. So don't focus too much on grammar, too much on reading, writing. Also try to give more attention at speaking. So this will be helpful for you. I am very hopeful, and I'm really tired now because I have been speaking for maybe more than 6 or 7 minutes. Yes, and my friend Fahim is helping me to record this video. So it's really great for me that now I'm being able to express my own ideas with all of you. And if I tell you the another reason would be inconsistency. Do you think, are you consistent enough to learn this language? So many of us, we start our journey with huge amount of motivation, but after a certain time of period we lose our motivation, and then we give up. So here we should make a strong mindset in order to learn this language. We need to set a strong mentality. If you write down your dreams on your diary, it will be better. I have my own diary. I try to maintain a diary, and whenever I do something good, whenever I do something bad, I always try to write down all the information in my diary, and later I try to see them, and I try to get some inspiration from those topics. So this is the thing. So if you want, you can learn English like me. I'm not perfect, I'm not fluent, but I have a great aspiration to learn this language, and I want to reach more people through my content. That is the reason why I make English video, and it's really a great thing, and I'm really very proud that now so many people watch my video. They try to inspire me, and I also try to inspire them, although I'm not sure whether I am able to inspire them or not, but I try my level best, I try my heart and soul. And yeah, it's really a beautiful place, beautiful morning time. And I want to thank my friend Fahim, because he has come with me here, and we are having a great time. He's helping me to record this video. So yes, this is the thing, and this is the way how we can learn English, how we can do something. English is really important. It's earlier I said it is the only language which is spoken and understood all over the world. So if we don't know how to speak English, we will remain backward in every aspect of our life. So it's really necessary and essential for us to learn. And yeah, that is the thing. So I don't want to make it more longer. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'm trying to speak English fluently, although I don't know whether I'm fluent or not. But if you ask me the same question to me, I can say that I'm not fluent yet. I'm trying to be fluent, but the way I am going, I hope maybe after 1 year or 2 years later, I will be able to speak this beautiful language fluently and effortlessly. But for that reason, I need to do hard work. And you know, many of us, you think that English is very difficult, but no, English is not difficult. English, you know, difficult means difficult doesn't mean that it's impossible. It's impossible. Difficult means that you need hard work. So try to do some hard work in order to learn this language. And once if you can speak English, you will get many more opportunities in the hereafter. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really tired now. I'm not being able to speak English. Just look at me, I can't speak English right now. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and beneficial, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you need this kind of video, please consider to subscribe my channel. I am trying to share my own ideas with all of you, and hopefully you are getting some positive results after watching my videos. And I will continue my video, and hopefully I will be able to give you something great in the near future. Thank you.